final five. The final five are the delegates will vote for to select them. I'm sure the final five will be Baumia, Alan, Kennedy, Ejapon, Joe Gatti. The remaining one, Obaka one, will come from Apriku, Boache, Jakon, and Afreya Koto. There's a mutual lota. Makada Apriku Bakan. It will be between Apriku and Ejako.
Now, you
but
said
four is now. You can't woman fine. But as in them in pick 5 of the 7 number burner. This is the 4 now in the overcome. A chrono bakan. It will come from the 3 now worker.
Now, the 4 now abobon the accrual will come from the other 3. No, you in your initial indicator they need to get a candidate who will appeal most. Which of these 4 will appeal most per your estimation?
I cannot say because I'm not part of the process of electing one. It is the person that the NPP will pick. The NPP delegation, they will have to do the pick. So the onus rule 4 is on those who will be delegates to elect the flag bearer. Once so associate the one there, Waba pick Obia Oba appeal to the swing voters. Start Marcy.
But you see
the delegation they have an onus. When I want shout break the 18. On your one they have a burden to select somebody who will appeal to the swing voters. So that is the 4th point that they must also bear in mind, that they have a responsibility. Also, the one Oba select Oba appeal to the swing voters.
Now, Uncle Ben, there is also something here. I think probably it's only J.J. Rawlings, the late. Now, we win election as the first time contestant for the presidency. All other candidates, or yes, our aspirants who have won came the second time, some even the 3rd attempt. Would it go against the breaking the 8th agenda that the NPP is seeking to do?
Oh, one is, it's a main analysis. 1992, me fan come. The Dana Hackmanika there, they regretted boycotting the parliamentary elections. 92 is a long time. In Kofu in K, 92 were year presidential elections in the first. In the NPP allegations there, we mean to 1-2 parliamentary, the parliamentary in 1-2. Until after that, the country in its wisdom decided there. From 96, Obotu presidential and parliamentary on the same day for 2 main reasons. One, to save Sika. The year presidential and spend a parliamentary. And the second, it will stop the situation. Party away win presidency, obeying advantage in the parliamentary, because some of the constituencies are wire swinging. So what to parliamentary as a second one.
Knowing who has won the presidential now.
Good. They will vote for the party of the parliamentary, hoping that they will get development projects. So Rawlings said it was virtually 96 in a first competition and as exiting 2000 okwa runoff na Kufo winning 2018 okwa runoff na most winning by 40,000 votes.
And it starts from there. When the NPP won with President Kufuor, it was President Kufuor's second time. When Mills also won, it was his second attempt. When Nanado won, it was also his, some would say his even third attempt. Can a first time in the NPP after Nanado be able to break that 8 jinx that they seeking to do?
The key to the NPP breaking the 18 is in the hands of over 205 delegates who do the voting.
Okay.
That is all.
Okay.
They will have to ensure they pick somebody who will appeal to the swing voters. One way kingmakers.
Okay. Okay. Uncle Ben, that's P in there and a presidential school. It wouldn't be far for me to end that. The word to the wise is enough.
No.
Okay.
The word to the wise is in your
on your tongue. Thank you.
No,
God bless you this morning. Have a great day.
God bless you.
Okay. Uncle Ben, you're at Ben Ephson and then no train a year and come or you'll be about to the knee edition and so the check a near one what they hear about Tony Nekaka Hunano, a strong cocra. So
one no now come can watch some crowing door kaka Emma young before you go on will be a question. Okay, factory biara. Na onye bi biara to fa man ho. Nti onja da ma tam ne ka. No wa wotu fu papa na bia o ko nyina yin gba se ko ten so o kan na abufa kakra bi onya ka so an popo da so or kan oboa. So wala gina na ka de. Rinya kwasia o sabi nya kwasia na esiwo eya. Factory ansana ashikanda ma no ye. E wo bi ori sida no obo kra ansana we ka foundation. Mama, all Ghana for your yamuto. The Yanya also parents now, what year now, what that to what the band of social media. It can no walk on what position was double to ya quite a prama, and I won't continue no yamo, or the young farmer, my Ghana.
That's no mamma, I guess a papa, I guess mamma come out to me, Dodo. Mamma, I guess mamma come out to me. Minya, them kind of contribution now. No, I am though. I told you guys, Mr. Mahama did not build any Commander Sugar Factory. Right. Now, answer now, what do you Bebana? Akata, and I mean to you, Akata, and then I won't pick your call. Forget. I'm not picking your call today, Akata. Forget that thing. I'm not giving you a E to fuck up the program. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry, brother. Let's talk another time. Andrew, I'm my chance, Malkasai. And I'm my chance, Kasai, Akata. I'm not picking up your call. I know what you are going to do, and I'm not going to let you do that today. Do it another day when you get a chance to. You've already written so much on there. A shallow mind and a shallow glasses with a shallow eyes, with a shallow neck on her shallow head. No, about the trunk as you social media. This fool called Marie Guadu has to do cross check. They're the motto where I am on pay. Ye jam on the free will, Kakrayana Mompena Bibiam Sasa Muyamuano into Bruni Fifi, if you think I say, Quasiapia sign back, say, hey, me pepper any Miss Ruby said in Nessa. My Samoa, because they plus on Kwame Bon, just a one to obey 6. Nancy and Abraham, no some budget 3 beer, no so yes, say Captain Smart to be in the air to. Most sorry, I might have me make you a question, my Samoa, my bread. Get no crown, someone was the baby. Hey, Jimmy for Ben Cran, and I yell Ben Cran, I got some Quasia fool, we see. Hey, Minami Trebi, Nami Sebi, Nami maybe Tinkalo, just say, there may be a chong wine, Jenny, Nami, the Biasono, still, Yalian. Because revolution has a long way to go, but has come to stay, Jimina. What revolution? another camera for Huma, Kwame Nkrumah say, amen. Kwame Nkrumah say,